Hi, good evening everybody. Myself, Dr. Basuraju C, working in Cambridge Engineering College, Bangalore, from last 6 years as professor. I am going to talk today on a topic called how to have positive mind always to achieve any big goal of yours. That means how to keep ourselves always positive, irrespective of negative environment around you. Normally today you are having that only. How to keep ourselves positive and happy to achieve any goal of ours. Let me tell you why I have taken this topic today is because I have seen from last 20 to 21 years, I taught so many engineers. I'm proudly saying that I taught thousands of engineers. They are great now. They are working, enjoying, right, their works. Then I have learned one thing by teaching them all these years. I have seen two kinds of peoples, two kinds of students. One kind of student says, I am first from the beginning, right? I am first in class or I am first in any work. That kind of attitude. The other kind of students I have also seen exactly opposite. No. I am from the beginning last fellow. I don't understand English. I am inferiority complex. He himself says that, believes that he is coming to the last place only. No, I am telling you, there is no such first place and last place. Each one of you are blessed with, each one of us, any fellow who may be, are blessed with same energy, great energy, infinite energy. Only thing is we should understand which we have that. This is I am not saying. In your mind everything is there. If in your mind, if you think that you are first, you will be first only. If in your mind, if you think that you are the last fellow, you are last only. This is not, I am saying, this is 100 years early only. Our great Guru, Vivekananda ji, has said so many sentences like this. Whatever you think, you will be that. This is what told. Now again I am telling you, this is not your fault, right? Having negative mind, many of you, is not your fault. Today's world, today you take up any medias, or you take up any newspapers, or when 4 or 5 people are talking, they are normally talking towards negative only. They enjoy, it seems, negatives more than positive. This is not I am saying, this is the survey. One survey says that 92% of these people in this world liking negative things and they are prone towards negative. Only 8% of the people are enjoying positive and they want to be in positive nature. That means, do you think that every people wants to be negative only? Or they will like negative or they want to be that only? No. Actually not. Why? Because they are negative is they are not getting positive talks, positive things from the people. Or positive news also they are not getting. That means, do you mean to say that you can't be positive or you and me can't be positive mind actually? No. Absolutely, we can have positive minds to achieve anything. That is possible. For example, you take up any example of 100,000 years back, or now, presently, or 100 years later also. Always they are all positive only. All successful peoples getting positive environment to succeed. No, they have succeeded early also, now also, later also. They are also having faced lots of negative environment, but they overcome that and they converted all positive negative environments into positive by their own methods. Lots of examples are there for that. For example, take an example of, right? Take an example of Sachin Tendulkar. You and me, everyone understands simply. Because Sachin, we all knows. Sachin Tendulkar, let me take example. All past bowlers, they bowled very slowly to him to hit boundaries, or they bowled very, very, very slow balls to hit sixers and to get it by sixers and fours. Actually, no, not at all. In fact, lots of negative applied against Sachin Tendulkar only. He converted, he is a master. He converted everything negative into positive, thanks to him. For that, world greatest fast bowlers, Shoaib Akhtar maybe, Brett Lee maybe, great swing king, Wasim Akram maybe, or you take Glenn McGrath. They all thought of day nights actually to bowl against Sachin Tendulkar. They bowled fastest balls to hit his head actually. But what he did, he converted every bouncers into sixers actually. In fact, he hit it 10 times more than whatever the fast balls he got it actually. That's why whole world unanimously accepted, loved like Sachin Tendulkar like God. And they're given the name also. We are all given a name. Cricketing God with a great, right? Where we given the name. Lovely we called him. Now, at the same time, I'm also telling, you ask, see what a negative circumstances and how beautifully converted absolutely against positive, with a great positive mind. This is all possible by positive mind actually, Sachin is having. Why you can ask, right? Go to the fast bowlers in the interviews, when they asked this Shoaib Akhtar in an interview, or Wasim Akram in an interview, or a Brett Lee in an interview, they said, in a question they've asked, who is the fastest, who is the toughest batsman you faced, and you liked the most. When they asked, they said immediately Sachin name. See that? This is all can be possible to you also, you and me also, if we are all positive. If we created ourselves negative into positive. You take other personality. Why? Leave cricket. Come to the tennis ball, where every one of us, we knows the other greatest you can say, Roger Federer. What a lovely sportsman he is. From the last 20 years, this champion, undoubted champion, down to earth. And see that, if you take cricket, at least 12 members are there. And 8 or 10, they are not playing badly also. 1 or 2 like Sachin, if they play, they win the game still for their country. But tennis, it is not the case. Only lone players has to get selected from the country, and they have to play for their country alone against the other opponent. So many opposite persons, sportsmen, work day and night and plays very toughly against Roger Federer. And they tried fastest yeses, and they tried the services against him to hit his head again. But what a fantastic reply given by this great Roger Federer. He actually took the point from the greatest years they played against him. He converted that fastest aces into points only, and he used to win a game. What a lovely nature. That's why whole world loved like him, right? Like anything. When we asked Sachin Tendulkar once in an interview, the question is thus: Sir Sachin ji, you are liked by world undoubtedly, everyone. You tell one sports person you like most. He said immediately within fraction of second, Roger Federer name. What a lovely thing actually. And all this is happening because of this positive mind. If you are positive there, with that negative circumstances, more than you and me, they converted that into a positive. And they achieved whatever they wanted, actually. In fact, more than what they wanted. But you and me, that is not the case. You ask anybody, we say, I can't do this, I can't do that, because no environment, because others are pulling legs actually. In fact, I can achieve more, but people are not leaving me to achieve things. These are all only blah blah we are talking. I don't think, right? And we say lots of reasons actually, excuses. When we ask somebody, very often they say, I would like to be businessman actually, big businessman, but I don't have money. That's the problem. Somebody says that, I want to be big industrialist, but I don't have idea. Some other says that, I am a villager, right? And I wanted to be a landlord actually, but I don't have money. I don't have labor. These are all the things people are telling excuses. You come to the students. So many students are telling this only. Right? In fact, I would have get ranks, but if I get good environment, I'm coming from backward caste, I'm coming from backward village, I'm coming from remote village, I'm coming from, these are all the excuses. I'm coming from Kannada medium, I'm coming from regional languages, or I am coming from a family where my parents are very poor. These are all only excuses. You take an example of great Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, who is a legend, evergreen legend, who wrote such a big, beautiful thing, constitutions, right? What a tough conditions he got actually. Is it? And what a tough situations when he wanted to study. People used to throw him actually, you know it, all that. But what a great commitment from the great man actually. And he did lots of studies. And how many PhDs that sir has got actually? You and me are worrying, are telling lots of reasons to get one PhD, right? For me to get one PhD, I faced lots of problems. I used to say actually, but see that man, thanks to him, so many PhDs and so many countries they went to do the PhDs actually. What a great mind. Then people, higher up peoples liked him, called him in fact later and asked him, requested him to write this great constitutions. Constitutions, when they asked him to write, so many months this man sat and wrote beautiful constitutions, which is all possible. You and me are all enjoying these constitutions last, even today, 100 years later also. But thanks to the positive nature he is having. Is it possible? Do you think that these are all possible if you are having telling reasons, negative mind? No. And these are all possible because such a great positive mind he was having. Now let me tell you all, you and me is all possible again to create positive mind, positive nature by ourselves only. We should not tell reasons. It's all in us only, in our mind only. If you have any dreams, it is possible. You can achieve. You create your own positive nature. For example, I will give you 2-3 tips which will definitely help you. If you want to create positive mind, do one more, do this thing, that's all. You just don't make 1,000 friends as a friends. You instead of taking or making 100,000 friends, if you have 2-3 great friends of yours with great positive mind, just spend lots of time right with them. You will always keep yourselves happy and positive to achieve any goal, right? Instead, if you follow negative, then at the same time, you want to quarrel against all other friends? No. Say hi, bye, how much you want, right? You be with them. If you are not comfortable, just be away with them, right? But always, 2-3 are whoever comfortable with them, positive mind people. If you spend your time, you can achieve your great goals. Also, other tip says, you just have a role models. role models. There is no shortage in our India to have role models. See this Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. See that. Take Dr. Rajkumar as your role model. Take Sir M.V.A. as your whatever engineer. Always you can get motivations by seeing him. See that 100 years lived and loved the life and did lots of things. What an energy, right? And take Mother Teresa G. All these are all great minds. By seeing them, you can always keep yourselves positive by saying these few words, especially to the students or anybody who is doing any work. You need positive mind to achieve anything, right? Whoever watching you, let me say thanks to, right, by saying that always keep positive mind. I hope you will all get by seeing whoever watches this video. You can subscribe this, right, and you can give any suggestions also, right, by saying that. I believe that you are all getting benefits, definitely. See that because I am a positive person, right, I always think positive, right, by saying this, right, you please work hard with great mind, with great positive, right, character. By saying these few words, let me thank all of you.